Please open. Class button. Sorry for the disturbance. ತುಂಬಾ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗತ್ತು. Let me start again. So I was discussing about properties of matrix multiplication. Okay, it will not allow commutative property. That means AB is not equal to BA. So it holds good for associative property. It holds good for distributive property. Also, it is very important that if AB is equal to 0, definitely A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. And you have learnt example 16, 17, 18. Let me go for exercise 3.2. Today, let me continue. I hope you don't have any doubts regarding the exercise 3.2. So let us continue the exercise 3.2. I want to continue this exercise. So in that exercise, till question number 12 we have completed, right? So let me start question number 13. 13 is very important 3 marks question. 13 is a 3 mark question. Look at the question first. What they have given, they have given a matrix that is f of x. They have given a matrix f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. They have given this matrix and they are asking you to show that asking f of x into f of y is equal to f of x. What is that? F of y. F of x they have given, no? So f of x is nothing but it is cos x sin x 0 and this is sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. This is minus sin x. Okay, this is f of x. Don't write this. Just look at the look at your screen. Don't write this because now I am going to f of y. Okay, how write f of y? Tell me. F of x means cos x. So wherever x is there, replace it with wherever x is there. Now for here f of y replace this second is. So now you have to do multiplication here. How you will do matrix multiplication? No, like that you have to do matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication, what I have to do, I have to take row and column. So let me take first elements. So to get this first okay, next minus sin x plus sin y. So if you multiply, it is minus sin x into 0 is 0 and not okay, is equal to first row, first column I have to start. Therefore it is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus 0. Second column, I have to start second column. Minus cos x minus sin y is minus cos x sin y. Now again, can you see this? This is also minus. So it is minus sin x cos y plus 0. This is second element. Come to third element, that is third column. Cos x into 0 is 0 plus 0. Okay, this is also plus 0. Are you following me? Okay, now let me take second row, first column, that is sin x into cos y, that is sin x into cos y. First element over now, second element plus cos x into sin y plus 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Now let me take second column. So this is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Last column 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now third row, first column. Look at third row. 0 into cos y is 0 plus again 0 into sin y is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Let me take second column. Minus sin y into 0 is 0 plus cos y into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Last column 0 plus 0 plus 1 ones are 1. Let me close this. See, this side I am unable to close, but you know, you have to close this. You have to close this. Now let me simplify. Okay. Before I write what will come here, let me show and write. See, I am talking about this element. I am talking about this element. Now, what is there here? This is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is of x plus y. Do you remember this? Cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Correct? Okay. So now here what I will do? Here this element I am simplifying. Then I will write. So look here. 1 minute. Okay. So see here what is there? Minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y plus 0. Okay. Anyhow, you can leave 0. Now, what I will do, I will take minus common. Either a reverse baritin. First, let me write this element. Sin cos y plus, that is formula of sin of x plus y. So here what I have to write here, minus sin of x plus y. Can you see this? See, for this element, for this element, I got this. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, come here. What is this? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Just now I explained that is nothing but sin of x plus y. Now look here, sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Let me read this first. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is nothing but cos of x plus y. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Here also, here. Now what I will do, I will remove this. The bed. Okay. Let me one. See here, in the beginning what they have given f of x is equal to cos x minus sin y 0, sin x 0. They have given see here, how they have given f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0. Then they have given sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. They have given this. Okay. Now what I have got, see here, this is 0, this is y. What we got, see, in place of cos x, you have cos of x plus y. See, look here, in place of x, you got x plus y, correct? Then, wherever x is there in this, at the same place, you have x plus y, correct? Are you observing? Can you observe this? So, if x is there, you call it as f of x. If x plus y is there, then you have to call this as f of x plus y. This is what RH is. They asked that only, prove that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. They asked you to prove that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. So we have taken f of x and we have taken f of y. Then we went for matrix multiplication. What we got is nothing but f of x plus y. Okay, right. This is not required. Anyhow, I will not remove this. Let it be there. Fine. Let me go to the next question. I think 14th question I have given homework. Correct, Appa? 14th homework kottidina. I don't know. I forgot. If I have given homework, no problem. If I have not given homework means 1 minute. If I have not given homework means in the homework exercise 3.2 question number 14 first bit second bit, that will be your homework. Okay, right. So I have to take question number 15 now. If you have textbook, please open page number 82. Open page number 82. See, question number 15, 16, 17 are most important questions. They are also for 5 marks. I repeat again, question number 15, 16, 17 of exercise sum are very, very important for 5 mark questions. Okay. So, what is 15th question? They have given a matrix A. Let me write what is matrix A. Matrix A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix they have given. It is 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0. This is matrix A they have given, and they are asking you to show that A square minus 5A plus 6I is equal to 0. No, sorry, they are asking you to find this quantity. It does not show that it is fine. They are asking you to find this much, that is A square minus 5A plus 6I. Okay, if you want to find out means first thing required for you is A square. Tell me how to find A square. So to find, let me start solution. So to find A square, I have to do A into A, correct? So let us do A into A now. How to do A into A? So let me write what is A again. What is A? 201, 201, 213, 1 minus 1, 0. This is A. Into A means again I have to write the same matrix. So that is 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. This is how you have to take. Okay. Let us do A square into A square. First row, first column. So it is 2 2s are 4 plus 0 plus 1 1s are 1. Second column, 2 zeros are 0, 0 1s are 0, minus 1. Third column, 2 1s are 2 plus 0, 0 3s are 0 plus 1 zeros are 0. Second row, first column. So it is 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Second column, 2 into 0 0. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Third column, 2 plus 3 plus 0. Okay, let me take this third row, first column, 2 1s are 2 minus 2 plus 0. Next you see 0 minus 1 plus 0. Next last column, 1 minus 3 0. Okay. Let me write how much is this. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is minus 1. This is 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. So we calculated A square. So what they're asking you to find out? They're asking you to find out A square. Now let me write that term. A square minus 5A plus 6I. Okay. So this is equal to, let me substitute all the terms. Let me substitute that. Okay. What is A square? A square is 5 minus 1, 2, 9, 4, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2. This is A square. Minus 5 into, you have to substitute A. A is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. This is A plus 6. See, they have given I, but they are not telling. I means identity matrix, but what order you have to consider. By this time, You know already what is the order of identity matrix. What order I have to consider? Can anybody tell me? You have to consider 3 by 3 matrix. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I hope all of you know why I have to consider this 3 by 3 matrix only, because you are required of addition and subtraction here. Nodi namge symbol enide addition matte subtraction symbol ide sarina. So namge addition subtraction agbeku andre ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು? Definitely order must be same. Okay, now you see what I will do. See, you can do two things. You take 5 inside the matrix, then you write this step, or else directly you can write. See how it is. See, first element how much? 5. Now you see, this is minus, so I have written minus. 5 2s are 10. Plus, here plus. 6 into 1 is 6. Second element minus 1. Minus 5 into 0 is 0. 6 into 0 is 0. Okay. Next you see. Third element is 2. 2. Next minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. See here 6 into 0 is 0. Okay. Next here it is 9. 9. Next here minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Here 6 into 0 is 0. The middle number, that is 4 minus 5 plus 6 ones are 6. Okay. Next last 5 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 0. Last row, first element here 0 minus 5 plus 0. Here minus 1, minus into minus plus 5. Can you see this? This minus and this minus will become plus. So it is plus 5 plus 0. Next it is minus 2. 5 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. Close this. This is equal to. Okay. You have to simplify this. You have to simplify this. What we are going to get? Okay. See. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 6 is 1. So this is minus 1. This is minus 3. Minus 1. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. This is minus 10. Minus 5. 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. This is what they asked you to find. So we got this one. This is nothing but this expression, a square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay. Can I take the next example? Next exercise question, that is, you have 16th question. 16th question is show that. In the exercise, let us solve question number 16. It is show that they have given a is equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. Can I give some 10 minutes time? Will you do this and tell me, so that I will understand who is able to do and who is unable to do? Plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. You need to prove this. You have to prove a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. Okay, someone has solved this. Very good. Who solved? Very good. I think who is having textbook, they have solved already. Very good. See what I voice break ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ. Let me give you 10 minutes time so that solve this and tell me the answer whether you got that or not. Okay, so I have given you some 10 minutes time. Now it is 12:53. No, start ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ start ಮಾಡಿ. Have you started? Okay, what I will do is switch on your videos. Video on ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let me see. My class will continue. Okay, good. Whoever completed, very good. Whoever completed, very good. Switch on your. I'm asking you to switch on your video. 4 members only listening to my words. Okay. Who else completed? 16th answer is 0000 ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸಿದಿರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಒಬ್ರು. Show that ಅಲ್ವಾ. I know it is 0000 3 by 3 0 matrix. It is show that I want you to do now. Is there anybody that who is unable to understand how to do that? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನೂ ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿನುತಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಗೌತಮಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. Vashita, completed or still you are doing?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, okay. ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 17th ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Okay, after this I will do question number 17 in exercise, then I will end the class. Finished? A cube finish ಆಯ್ತಾ? A cube, have you calculated A cube?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Then take LHS. LHS ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ because
Yes, ma'am.
A square ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. A cube complete ಆದವರು take LHS. Right? LHS is equal to yes, LHS is equal to A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I. Here also I is identity matrix of order 3. Here also I is identity matrix of order 3. Five numbers ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು? ಹೇಗದು 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಉಳ್ದೋರು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ವರುಣ್, ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Pallavi completed? Okay. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ಹುಡುಗ್ರ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ತೇಜಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾನೇ?
ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ. ವರುಣ್ ಆರ್ಪಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಅಮೀನಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ತನು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಆದರ್ಶ್ if you don't listen to my instruction, I will remove you from my class. Okay. Another Tejas. Mugita? I think Tejas. Okay. Where is Harsha? Harsha absent ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಂಪನ್ ಇದೀರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಗುಡ್. ಮುಗಿತಾ? ಮಾಡಿದಾಯ್ತಾ ಕಂಪನ್?
ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮಾಡಿ 7 minutes ಆಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಗುಡ್. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಸಮ್, ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ 0 ಆಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Finished? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Finished, ma'am.
Fine, fine.
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Whoever check your video.
Finished,
question ಇದೆ,
ma'am.
ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 17th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. Then I should go for okay. Then I should go for next question. Can I start the 17th question?
Yes, ma'am.
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 Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us start question number 17. Still whoever not completed, complete that. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 17th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡೂ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ, everyone start along with me. What is the question they are asking? If a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2 matrix they have given. If a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I is equal to 1001, that is 2 by 2 identity matrix, find k. ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ what is that doubt. They are telling find k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2y. Okay, see they are asking you to find k, correct? Can anybody tell me ಈ k ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್? I am asking you only. Scalar. Okay, how to decide whether it is scalar or matrix? I will tell. See, you are telling that k is a scalar here. So now I am telling why you have to consider it as a scalar. I am reading the question again. See, if a is equal to matrix 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I is equal to matrix 1 0 0 1, find k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2i. If they ask you simply find k, consider it as a scalar. If it is matrix, how the question will be? They will ask question find the matrix k. They will mention the matrix. Otherwise, nodi, you have to identify whether they have given small letter or capital letter. For matrix we use capital letter. If they give small letter means it will be scalar. Nodi, k kottaga namage sariyagi gottagalla alva. So if you have to find out matrix means they will mention find matrix k. Illi matrix anta mention madilla alva, so it is scalar. Okay, let us start solution. See, in the solution find k is there. So let me take the complete statement, that is a square is equal to ka minus 2i as it is. Let me go on substitute every term. So a square means how you have to answer? A square is nothing but a into a. So let me write it as 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into, again I have to write 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Is that okay? This is your a square. This is equal to k into a is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2i. 2i is 2 into 1001. Let us keep on simplifying this value. This side, that is left side, you have to go for matrix multiplication. So let me start first row, first column. So it is 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8. Second column 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Second row, first column 4 3s are 12 minus 4 2s are 8. Second second row first column completed, second row second column, minus 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus 4. Okay, this is equal to, let me take k inside the matrix, that is 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k. Okay, now 2 inside the matrix, 2 0 0 2. Fine. Let me take the simplified step. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Okay. So this is equal to, here it can be written as 3k minus 2 minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2. Can you see here why I have written only 4k? Because 4k minus 0 is only 4k. Here also minus 2k minus 0 is only minus 2k. Now what I will do, see here, where it is easy to find k value, that I want to equate. See, actually what is there here? Equal symbol is there. Equal symbol means what? Matrix in the LHS is equal to matrix in the RHS. When do you say that two matrices are equal? Their order is same and their corresponding elements are equal, correct? So you can equate any of the element. I want to equate this element. So I will write, this implies 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 4k, k is equal to 4 by 4, k is equal to 1. Illige stop madangilla neevu. You have to check other element also. See, wherever you take k value, you should get the k value same. This also you take this minus 2k is equal to minus 2, minus 2 minus 2 cancel, k is equal to 1. This also you consider 3k minus 2 is equal to 1, 3k is equal to 3, k is equal to 1. Yella kade k value same barbeku, then it is right value. Illandre em baribek nav answer? It is not possible to find the value of k anta baribeku. Nodi nanu nimge ನೆನಪಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, just recall. ನಮಗೆ exercise 3.1 ನಲ್ಲಿ question number 9 ಇತ್ತು. Do you remember this question? In exercise 3.1, 9th question was there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ? Find the value of x and y if they are equal to each other ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Not possible to find ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Do you remember? If you don't remember, if you have textbook, please open page number 65, you will get that. ಅಲ್ವಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2 ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನೋಡಿ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವೆನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ನೋ, ಸೊ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫೈನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಆರ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ? ವಾಟ್ ಆಮ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್? ಓಕೆ 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 ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾಳೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆಫ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 19 ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾಳೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕು, ಸರಿನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋನು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಮರ್ತು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಊಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye ma'am.
Yeah,
Bye ma'am.
bye
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
bye bye everyone. Bye. mente baat nangu bekala.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye everyone. Okay, let me
Bye,
leave
ma'am.
from the class.
Bye ma'am.